Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, we were doing pretty good on rain amounts here for the first part of September, but it's dropped off a little bit. We're still at 4 inches of rain for the month so far, but that is now below average, 4/10 below. And for the year, our deficit is up to 8 inches. Nevertheless, our drought did improve since late August when we did have extreme drought in parts of the area. And since then, we've seen it shrink away. Now just a severe drought. This is last week and this is this week. There really isn't a lot of change in between last week and this week. We still have a moderate drought. You can see in the peach area, peach colored area, that includes Corpus Christi up through Rockport, and then some spots of severe drought still lingering in San Patricio, Nueces, and Duval counties. In the state, we've seen a little improvement, of course, because of all that flooding and heavy rain from Imelda in the eastern part of the state, but the rest still has some drought going, and it is about 48% of the state that is in drought right now. So we need some more rain, and there is some coming here for the weekend. Outside right now, it's just hot and dry. Temperatures right now anywhere from 90 at Corpus Christi, inland 95 at Beeville, Alice at 93 degrees at this hour, and we see that heat index holding at 100 degrees at Alice. Not too bad across the area. The heat index is staying in the 90s for Corpus Christi thanks to lighter winds today, fairly light winds up to 15 miles an hour. That breeze will pick up this weekend though, and it's going to become breezier, especially by Sunday as the onshore flow increases. So we'll notice the wind a little bit more here day by day, and we'll also see it become a bit more sticky. Those heat indices are going to climb the next few days and as high as 108 by Sunday. So tonight's low temperature is still in the 70s with our light winds, and there is a chance we'll see a coastal shower by morning. And then tomorrow we do have that rain chance. Very spotty, but it's still there tomorrow. A few showers or thunderstorms could pop up through the day at the coast in the morning, and we'll reach into those low to mid 90s. Inland, a hot day into the upper 90s toward Freer, Tilden, George West 96, Mathis at 96, and Corpus Christi 93 degrees tomorrow to 91 at the Naval Air Station in Rockport. If you're heading to the beach, watch for that morning shower, and then as we go through the day, we'll see the skies clearing and pretty nice beach day, but the waves still at 2 to 3 feet with a moderate rip current risk for tomorrow. The weekend as a whole, Saturday looks like the wettest day of the weekend, and therefore the temperature comes down a little bit as we have more widespread cloud cover. But Sunday, we see the air starting to dry out. Still some showers and thunderstorms in the area Sunday, and it's a little bit hotter at 92. And that wave of low pressure still out here. There's the tropical moisture that's going to increase that rain chance. Okay, here's future tracker for tonight. We stay dry until early morning. You can see how we start to pick up some showers right along the coastline, 6:30 in the morning. And then as we head through the day, those pull inland and are very hit and miss. Good news for the high school games tomorrow evening. It looks dry again. Nice weather for the high school games here by 7 o'clock. As we go into Saturday, then it'll be a bit more widespread on rainfall. Still very scattered though, starting in the early morning and then pulling inland. And these showers are going to have the potential of producing heavy rainfall. In fact, this is one of our forecast models showing by Sunday morning we have the potential of even an inch in some areas. The kind of rain that's going to come in with this is going to be heavy at times. In fact, even over an inch I think is reachable. You can see as our high pressure aloft strengthens, we're still in that hot weather pattern with above average temperatures through early next week. It does start to weaken though and pull back, and that is going to allow temperatures to come down a little bit later next week, closer to normal. Here is your 7-day forecast, and this is brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. So the temperatures, it's hot this weekend, although Saturday not as hot because of the rain. It's breezy with that rain chance continuing to thin out next week to just isolated showers as we go through the week.